my name is Serafina Baker. Before we get started, smash that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. Today, we're going to be making white chocolate Oreo fudge bars. The ingredients we'll need are some little white chocolates, Oreos, vanilla extract, some condensed milk, a little bowl to put on your vanilla extract, a big bowl for the integrals for the little white chocolate, parchment paper, and a little pan to put your little bars in. Now let's get started. Now I have to wash my hands first so they can be nice and clean. Now we are going to take our Oreos and break them into 4 little pieces. So I'm gonna open this. You didn't think I could do that, did you? Now I'm gonna take our little chocolate melts and open this up. I'm not good at opening things. And pour them into here. That's good. Now we're gonna place our little chocolate melts in the microwave for 20 seconds in a bowl. Two, one. It needs more time in the microwave. It's not melting. Now I'm gonna see if it's any better. It's getting there. I have to put this in the microwave one more time. How many minutes? It's all done. It's almost done. Now it's time to pour our vanilla extract into the bowl, and we're gonna use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm gonna use 1. I told you. Whoa. There we go. Now I'm gonna put the whole entire container of condensed milk into the bowl. Satisfying. Now I'm stirring this up. Let's see how it smells. It smells like oatmeal. And kind of sweet oatmeal. Now I'm gonna pour it in the Oreos and then fold it in. Last time, so I think I might have to cut that off. And guess what, guys? I'm wearing the same bow from last time, if you guys remember that. Wait until... Did it? Stay down. Who did punch you? That's what you get, not this. Right. Now I'm gonna add the mixture to the pan. Can't do it that way. we're gonna smooth it out. Not so easy. These have muscles. Now I'm gonna take this to the fridge and let it cool. I actually put them in the freezer to speed things up, so let's go check on them. Freezing. Now I'm gonna cut these up. Ooh. It's kind of working. Now I'm gonna take these out of the pan onto napkin. Ooh. Whoa. Okay, since I got two on here, I am going to taste test them. Who else should I call? Luca!
Yeah?
Would you like to taste test? Please?
Sure. It's sticky. It is really good.
Are they cold?
Kinda.
Well, I think they taste pretty good. So Luca, how much percent is this?
Probably like a 99.
That's better than last time. How come not 100, Luca?
Because it's a bit too cold and a bit too sticky.
Well, I would rate it probably 110 because it's really good. And look, it sticks to my finger. Oh yeah, guys, remember smash the milk and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. Bye. Oops.
Cut.
I have to put in.
Cut.
Hi guys, welcome
No,
back.
just say White Chocolate Oreo Fudge.
Oh,
3, 2, 1.
White Chocolate Oreo Fudge.
Try it again. 3,